In this lesson, we will solve few more questions of the review exercise. So our first question is find the value of x if this matrix plus x is equal to this. Very simple, right? You have to find out the value of x, this one only. And see, this is the left hand side of the equation. This is equal to sign and this is the right hand side of the equation. We have to find out the value of x, and x is on the left hand side of the equation, so we will write down x as it is. Whatever you have on the right hand side, just write down as it is. So what is left? Only this matrix is left. See, what is the relationship between this matrix and x? There is a positive sign. So the inverse of positive is negative. It means you have to take this matrix to the other side of the equation, which is the right hand side, and its sign will change to negative. So it will be negative 2, 3, 1 and negative 3. How easy it is, right? Again, one more time I will show you. This is x. We want to find out the value of x. Write down x here. Whatever you have on the right hand side, write down as it is. Then see what is left. Okay, this matrix is left. And what is the relationship between these two, the variable and this matrix? This is positive. So inverse of positive is negative. Take this matrix to the other side of the equation with the minus sign. Now you know how to subtract it. Corresponding entries 4, and then see, this is the minus sign. You have to use this sign, negative, and 4 is related to 2, so 4 minus 2. Then minus 2 and again minus, because this is negative, and then this is 1. Same thing with the next row, negative 1, negative 3, negative 2, negative, and see this 3 has also one negative sign, so negative. It will be 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2, negative 4, and here is negative 3, this is negative 2, and this is will be positive 1. So this is the value of our first question, which is if x is equal to this one, and then you have to find out the value of the remaining. Move on to the second question. Here it says if a is equal to this, b is equal to this, then you have to find out 2a plus 3b, right? 2a. So 2a plus 3b. How we will write down? Just follow this pattern. First is 2, write down 2. What is next? A. So, and there is no sign between 2 and a. It means it is, they are multiplying each other, and this is a matrix. 2, 3, 1 and 0. What is next? Plus, use plus. What is next? 3, so 3. Then is b, so write down b. Okay. Now we have to multiply this matrix with 2 and this matrix with 3. So 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6, 2 1 times 2, 2 0. And then plus with this with 3, 15 minus 12, negative 6 and negative 3. Right? And now this is 2a, this is 3b. You have to add. And you know how to add. Corresponding entries 4 plus 15. This plus this with a little gap. This plus, but this is negative 12. You have to use this sign, right, between. Then 2 plus and then minus 6. And then 0 plus and then minus 3. So simplify it, it will be 19. It is negative 4. It is negative 6 and it is negative 3. So this is our answer. This is 2a plus 3b. Right. Next question. Here is minus 3a plus 2b. So very simple, no problem. Just write down minus 3a plus 2b. right? We will follow the pattern. First is -3, so write down -3, and then A. What is A we have? We have 2, 3, 1, 0, and this is B. Okay, so A is 2, 3, 1, 0, and then plus 2. What is next? B. And what is B? 5 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1, right? This is B. So same thing. This matrix you have to multiply with -3. It will be 3, 2 times 6, -6, -9, -3, and 0. And then this one, 10, -8, 4, and -2. And then you have to add these two. -6 plus 10 corresponding entries you have to add together. -3 you have to use positive sign. There is another negative, 0 plus -2. So here we will simplify it. It will be 4. This is -7. It will be -17, and this is -2. So this is our answer of -3a plus 2b. Next question is -3. This is important, right? When I will write down important, it means that you have to practice it. Important. So see, -3. You do not have to multiply matrix A with -3. Whatever you have inside the parenthesis, we will solve first. Whatever will be the answer, then at the end we have to multiply with -3. So start it equal to this. Write down -3 as it is, and then whatever you have in the A, 2310, same thing, plus 2, and what we have for B, 5 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1, right? And then this is parenthesis closed from here. So do not touch with -3. First we will solve whatever we have inside the parenthesis. You have to multiply this matrix with 2. 10 minus 8, 2 times 4, and then -2. Still we have in parenthesis 3, and now we will add. Okay, corresponding entries together. 2 plus 10, 3 plus -8, 1 plus -4, 0 plus -2, -3. Here we have 12, or it will be -3. It is -5, -2, right? Okay, then you have, now you have to multiply with this -3. It will be 36. It is 15. It will be 6, and this is 9. So this is our answer. This is -3a plus 2b is equal to this. Okay, this is the fourth question, and in fourth question again I will write down important here, but it is very easy because you have to, at the end you have to multiply by 2 by 3. So whatever you have inside the parenthesis, we will solve this first. So equal to this is equal to 2 over 3 as it is. In parenthesis we have 2, and the value of A is 2310. Again same thing, 2310, and then we have -3, and B is 5 minus 2 minus 4 and 1 and -1. And then this parenthesis is closed, right? Okay, so do not touch 2 by 3 as it is. First we will multiply with 2, 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6, 0. This is our first matrix. only write down minus and multiply only with 3. Okay, do not multiply by -3, only with 3. 3 5 times 15, 3 4 times 12, and then we have 3 is -6, it is -3. So 2 by 3, now we are going to subtract 4 minus 15, 6 minus 12, 2 minus, there is another minus, and 0 minus 3. So here is 2 by 3. Here we will make our matrix, it will be L minus 11, and this is 8, it will be plus 18, and this is 3. Now you have to multiply. See, this is the numerator. You have to multiply 11 with 2 divided by 3, 18 by 2 divided by 3. So I will write down here, it will be -22 over 3. It is 18 2 times 36 over 3. It will be 16 over 3, and the last one is 6 over 3. Now we will simplify it, and we will get minus 22 over 3 will remain the same, 16 over 3 will remain the same. Here is 3 one time, and 3 one time, it will be 12, and it is 2 3 one time, 3 2 times 6. So this is our answer. 2 over 3, 2a minus 3b is equal to this, right? So we have solved this question. You have to practice it. But if still you have any question, write down in comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.